Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't make this your last. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it to get notified whenever I post. And yeah, this is going to be a simple makeup tutorial. First, we apply our brows, we apply our eyelids with the makeup. Now I'm just going to be setting my beauty sponge because I feel that is the best way to set the concealer into my skin better. Now I'm going in with my black opal deluxe finishing powder to set the concealer in. To avoid creasing, this step is to avoid your eyeshadow creasing up. Next, I'm going into my foundation. This shade is a bit lighter than my skin, so please bear with me if it looks like discolored or lighter. This is for the purpose of the tutorial. Now I'm using concealer to hide all my blemishes or my dark spots on my face. This step is completely optional, obviously, but is also important, especially when you know that your foundation is not full coverage. A lot of people always tend to forget this, thereby giving them that mismatched look. Their face is going to be all glammed up and then their neck will be looking dry and ashy. So here is a tip that is a must do. Whatever you do to your face, at least fit in the face aspect. Whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck. Apart from the contouring, you can rub powder and foundation on it just to blend out even out your colors. Now I'm setting my face with the same black opal deluxe finishing powder, and as you can see, the weather is so hot. I can already feel the effect. Now onto the eyes. I don't usually do the eyes last, but this was just a beginner level makeup tutorial, so I'm just showing you how to do your eyeshadow. So now I'm just using my fingers to apply my shimmer shadow because I wanted to have like this natural soft glam look, so it's actually easier to use your fingers, but always make sure to blend very well. Now I'm going into my Kiss Beauty eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and I'm lining my eyes, as you can see. Please, if you have gotten to this point of the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I would greatly appreciate your support. Now we're just going to be concealing our under eyes, applying like light minimal concealer and always make sure that the concealer is 2 shades lighter than your skin. And then I'm just doing the same at the bridge of my nose to like give that elevated look.